Welcome the Our channel. Today we how to register with Arlo for doorbell and camera activation, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have your Arlo doorbell or camera device ready for setup. Download the Arlo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once the app is installed, open it to start the registration process. Select the sign up option if you're a new user. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Review the terms and conditions, then tap on Agree to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Arlo. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Arlo app and log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, select Setup Device to begin the activation process for your doorbell or camera. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your phone is within range of your Wi-Fi for a successful connection. Once connected, the app will guide you through configuring settings for your device. Adjust any desired notification preferences as per your requirements. Complete the setup by adding your device name and location for easy identification. After finishing, your Arlo doorbell or camera will be ready for use. Test the functionalities to ensure everything is set up correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.